Hello, Keller Williams agents and leadership. I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's Sydney Seymour, Regional Technology Trainer for the Carolinas region. Super excited to share with you a brand new update that's going to really save you some time. So let's get right into it. Prior to making this video, I logged into Command by going to agent.kw.com, entering my username and password, and then gaining access to my Command platform. We're going to be hanging out in opportunities today. So again, I can click on this red box at any time, scroll right down here to opportunities if I need to, and then I'm going into my listing opportunity pipeline. Now for the immediate release, for this first release, this is going to be available for the individual agent for listings. So we're talking about a solo agent for listings. So I'm going to go into one of my listing appointments, and you'll see I've got this one right here that I created. It's just a fake one that I use. We're going to go right into that, and what I want you to pay attention to is when we go in, you have this new tab right here that's called marketing. So let's pause for just a second and think about what if we could have it set up so that when I have a listing, depending on the stage that it's in, there is marketing suggestions for that particular stage. That's exactly what this new release is. So let's check it out. So I'm going to go into that marketing, and remember, this is in the listing appointment stage. So I'm going to go right into that marketing, and you'll see it's got right up here under designs that I have a listing presentation that's a recommended design. So it's telling me, okay, you're getting ready for your listing appointment. Here's the one thing in designs that you might want to make sure that you're using. So let's say that we actually have an active listing. We want to take a look at that stuff. So we're going to move, we went right back into my pipeline for listings, and we're going to come right over here to active, and I want you to see how cool this is. So now when I go into something that is in the staging phase, you'll notice that I've got under marketing, I've got additional options here. So because this is now an active listing, we're marketing this very differently, right? We no longer need to worry about the listing presentation. We've already taken the listing. Now we want to make sure that we're really marketing that active listing. So you'll see I've got all of these: print, just listed flyer, social, open house, just listed for sale. And then underneath here, you guys, you've got recommended just listed Facebook ad. So open house, for sale, just listed. So let's say that we wanted to use one of these designs. We like this one. We want to use this one for social. All that we have to do is click directly on the design, and then it's going to take you right over to where you can then easily create that design for this particular listing. So essentially what it's doing is taking the step out of you having to go into designs, search for that design, go in, find the perfect design for yourself. It's going to redirect you and take you directly right over to, as you will see in just a moment once this loads, it's going to take you directly over to that perfect design for you. Just a couple more seconds. Perfect. So then we've got right here, this is the design that we want to use. Now, I'm not going to take the time in this video to actually make some changes, but let's say that we come in here and I'm just going to double click on this and just make one change, just so we have like a little bit of a change there. We're going to hit done. We're going to choose save. And then because I hit done, I saved it. Let's go, and it takes me immediately back into that opportunity. You can see right over here, the one that I edited, it shows me that I edited today. So I know I've created that one. From here, I can click on the three dots. I can rename it, make a copy, create a social ad directly from it, or delete it. We can do the same thing down here. So we've got this just listed Facebook ad, open house Facebook ad, and then I've got the ability right over here to say set up campaign or dismiss that one if I don't want that. But we're like, nope, just took a listing, want to make sure we set up that campaign. We're going to click directly into that. And then you'll notice it does the same thing. It's going to drop me right over there. It's already named this for me, just listed Facebook ad for a listing. And then I would come in here and just follow all the steps that I usually do for an ad. So it's going to pull in. It's got that piece that I know I wanted. I can add the listing. I can do whatever I want there. So again, we're then going in and creating that ad, but it's taking us right over to it. So again, backing up just a little bit, you'll notice this now when you go into opportunities. Again, listing opportunities for the individual agent will have the ability Let's say we want to go into under contract. We'll have the ability to take a look at marketing, under contract, maybe a under contract Facebook ad. So again, make sure you're checking this out. Make sure that you're always marketing to the moment. And this is just one little thing in Command that we've created that's going to make it much easier for you. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day. And if you guys have any questions or need help, let me know. Thanks, everyone.